Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to increase local disk space in Windows 10, 8, 8.1 and 7 without formatting or losing data. Open Explorer. Click this PC. We have 3 partition, C, E, G, and system reserved partition F. I want to increase disk space in C drive. Right-click Start button. Click Disk Management. Right-click D drive. Right delete volume. Click Yes. E drive is deleted. Right-click C drive. Click Extend volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. C drive space is increased without losing data. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.